one.
Hi there, I'm Mr. Gardner.
I'm Mr. Cotton.
And this is a continuation of our series, Creating a Website in HTML. And in this video, we're going to look at inserting images into our dog walking website.
Okay, there's my website so far, and just to recap, we've got some nice white paragraphs. We've got the cornflower blue background, and my heading, of course, now being in light salmon. Quite standard colours, but what is missing is the lack of a picture.
Yeah, let's get a
dog picture.
Let's get a picture of
which I've pre-downloaded.
Right, so important thing here is that we know that that file is called dog, and is a .jpg file. We'll show how to show the file extension in a different video. And the other important thing is that we've saved it in the same place as the index.html file.
So here's my folder name. Look, there it is, dog walking website, and I've got my index, which is my HTML, and my CSS, and my picture is in the same folder.
If it's not in the same place, you'll just get that little cross come up. It won't know where it is. So really important.
So I'm okay there.
Yeah. So if we go to the HTML code in Notepad++, what we'll do, how about we have it after the paragraph, the picture?
That makes sense. So I'm going to put another line in underneath there.
Yeah. And there is an image tag. So have a guess at the image tag.
I assume it's this.
No, it isn't. It's been abbreviated to just IMG.
Well, like that.
Yeah.
Not that yet.
Now, it's one of these weird self-closing tags, a bit like the link tag we used on line 4. Instead of having an opening and close tag, it's actually just one tag you build up quite big, and you just put a slash at the end. So you
so I can take this off.
Well, yeah, take that off, and we'll put it on right at the end.
Okay, fine. All right.
So if you put a space first of all, we've got these red bits of text called attributes. And the one we need is the source of the image. So if you type source, well, actually, it's not that, even though it's gone red. It's an abbreviation of that. It's SRC, which is short for source.
SRC. So abbreviation for image and abbreviation for source.
It makes it quicker to type eventually when you've learned it. An equal sign.
Right.
And then, as we've done with style sheet and style.css in line 4, we're going to use speech marks to wrap the file name. And the file was dog.
It's called dog. .jpg.
Yeah, you've got to put the dot bit at the end, and Windows 7 and other operating systems hide that from you. Standard, you have to kind of turn it on to find out what it is. But you can find out how to do that.
Okay.
Close the speech box.
Yep.
And that is actually it. There isn't any more to it. So if you just put a space, and then you can close the tag with a / and the triangular bracket.
So like we did with that line there.
Yeah, so it's very similar to that. There's not actually many HTML tags that are like this, that are self-closing. That's pretty much it. So there's a couple of others. So it's uncommon, but images are one thing to do. Anyway, let's save it.
So save, and I'll go to my page. There's the salmon title, and I'll refresh.
Oh, using the shortcut F5 on the keyboard there, Mr. Cotton. Well, yeah, but speeding things up, so that's very good. You don't have to press the wheel. Brilliant. We've got the dog ready for a walk, but I think that picture's too big.
A little bit.
Now, there's a few ways we can do this. You could actually add more attributes to the HTML code or tag to change the width and size, but actually it will still download the big file, but just show it smaller. And actually you want to make it smaller as a file so it downloads a bit quicker.
Okay.
So what we'll do is we'll go to our file in Explorer, there we are, and right click on it and edit.
Okay, right click.
So what we're going to do is we're going to change the actual picture rather than just changing the code.
Okay.
And to do that, click on resize.
There we go.
And if we change it to pixels, then I think this picture would look good about 300 or 400 pixels wide. Let's try 300.
So if I change that to 300, this isn't going to squish it then? So
well, it would squish it if we only changed it, but because this tick box is on that says maintain aspect ratio, it's automatically changed the vertical height to 199.
So I'll just
press OK. So it hasn't squished it.
That's a lot better.
It's smaller.
Yeah. So I'll save that then.
All you've got to do is click save, close Paint, and then go back to the web page. Press refresh again.
I'll do all that. No, that's much better. Okay.
And that's how simple it is to put an image into a web page.
Thank you so much, and thank you.
See you next time.
Yeah.